how to save a design on Canva to Microsoft PowerPoint directly on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to canva.com. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now choose your design from here or create new one, and then go to your design. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say, this one. Now go to the top, click on share right here, and go down, click on the more option, and now scroll down like this until you find the PowerPoint option. Click on it and click download from here. As you can see, you can download your design as Microsoft PowerPoint document. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.